She's bound up naked. She's naked in front of the fireplace, like tied. He stabbed her in the right arm, and he beat her so bad she couldn't open her eyes. Bill Kiley said he kept feeding her crack.
On May 23, 2023, police in Cleveland, Ohio received a frantic 911 call that blew this case wide open. A terrified witness stepped forward to report a house of horrors involving the suspect, Delante Giger, and a trapped victim, Cheryl Cyrus. Inside that home, Cheryl had been bound with zip ties, stabbed, and subjected to brutal torture. But while Delante tried desperately to keep police away from the truth, he ended up exposing himself entirely casually flashing photos of the nightmare right from his own phone.
911, dispatcher, Tilda Engineering, please fire an ambulance. Please. What's the address or location? I'm sorry. The address or location?
3177 West 97th Street.
Okay, 3177 West 97th. What's going on?
A girl just ran out to me out the house. She said that it's a lady in there. The guy's beating her with a gun and stuff, an older lady. She said that she physically seen the lady.
Okay, where are you at?
I'm on the street.
Police!
Y'all can't be here like this.
Oh, look.
You can't be here like this, bro.
I'm just knocking on your door.
I understand that, but you making me hot.
What?
You're making me hot.
What does that mean?
I'm about to come up.
All right, come on out.
All right.
Apparently this all started across from the yard. Give me a few minutes to take a look.
How you doing, sir?
Y'all can't be out here like this.
My name's Officer Robles. That's Officer Obed. Just so you know, everything's recorded.
Listen,
Yes?
turn those cameras off, please.
Well, what's going on?
Can you please turn the cameras off?
You have to give me a reason, and I can't.
You guys are making my spot hot. I work for you guys, okay? Long story short, I work for you guys. Please get out. You guys are blowing the spot out.
Watch his body language. A regular innocent citizen whose house is being checked out doesn't panic about their spot getting hot. That is street code talk for my illegal operation is about to get exposed.
All right?
Who do you work for?
I can't tell you that.
Why?
I cannot tell you that because I'm not allowed to tell you that. Okay, so just understand that.
Well, here,
Go home.
we have a call. Here, sir, let me just tell you why we're here, and then we'll leave. It could be nothing. I don't know. I don't know anything about you.
All right, I'm just saying y'all can't be here. Y'all making my spot hot. All right.
Well, that
I work
doesn't
with
make
you
any.
guys.
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't. You don't need to make sense to y'all. You hear me? So what I need y'all to do
Hey,
is
Sarge, can you
leave.
come over to this address for a minute?
What was your call about?
Did you have a female here earlier that was a white female in a black coat?
Hell no, bro.
All right. Well, here's the
Y'all can't be
complaint.
here.
Here's the complaint.
What's the complaint?
She made a complaint that says somebody was in the basement and they were injured.
Man, y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta
Well,
go.
I gotta ask. I mean, because you're making
No,
me.
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Well, you're making me a little suspicious now.
Man, listen. You need to leave.
Do you live here,
Y'all need to leave.
sir? Do you live here?
Yes, sir.
Is this your truck?
My dump truck?
Yeah.
That doesn't matter. You're asking the wrong questions.
All right.
That dump truck has nothing to do with the questions that
Well, is
you
anybody in your house injured?
No, sir.
All
I
right.
live by myself.
All right.
I'm a business owner.
All right.
You feel me? Like, I apologize about your call. Trying to make my spot hot. You know what I'm saying?
Could you do me a favor and take your hands out of your pants? I mean, my hands are out of my pants, so
Listen, man,
you can put your hands down. Just
Yeah, I ain't got nothing going on, but y'all need to leave. For
All
real.
right.
Please leave.
Sergeant Aaron from the police department.
Nice to meet you.
We're doing these.
Nice to meet you.
all right.
So what are you rehabbing this place?
Yes, I rehab.
This used to be all full of trash,
Trust me,
right?
And there's all
And
this
some lady kept commenting on
Oh
this.
my God, there's so many people here.
Well, it's no big deal, man.
Man, it is a big deal.
What?
I'm trying to tell you guys about this shit up.
So we were told that the lady's tied up in the basement.
There ain't nobody tied up in the basement.
Can we look?
No, but like,
Why not?
because I say so.
Is someone tied up down there?
No,
What's your name, buddy?
I can't tell you that, bro.
What do you mean you can't tell me? This your truck?
My dump truck, that's my company truck. That's my, there's nothing going on with
Is it in your name?
No.
Then why don't you want to tell us who you are?
I'm trying to tell you I'm a confidential informant.
When criminals get cornered, they love to play the insider card. He's trying to establish fake authority to make these officers back off.
That's all I have to say. You guys are bugging right now. You guys are
No,
bugging.
that's not all you have to say. Who told you that?
I can't say nothing else.
Well, if there's something happening in the basement, we have
There's nobody in the basement. I just do what I
So
really.
why can't I look?
Why do you-
Because all that stuff that went on in the past with those 3 girls, man, we got to take this seriously.
What
and
3
look into
girls?
it.
What 3 girls?
Gina De Jesus.
I don't know them.
All
Man,
that
y'all
stuff.
goofy.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
though?
I'm
If
about
we
to
don't
give-
take this seriously,
I'm
and
about,
there's
to give
something
you
going
my, I'm
on.
about to give you my social security number.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go. Stop. Please don't
That's
do
all
that.
right.
Please
We're
don't.
not going in without you.
Yeah, you can't do that. Tell him please not to do that. Do what? I'm not going in there.
All right, that's fine. That's fine.
Sergeant, please tell him not
Back
to
up.
do that.
He's not going.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my social security number.
right.
I want you to run it.
What's the first thing you said to me when I knocked on the door?
What do you want?
No.
What was the first thing I said to you?
You said you're making my place hot.
Exactly.
So you don't find that weird?
No.
Most people just say hello or how you doing or
Listen,
what's
I'm
going
being
on.
honest with you. I'm telling you everything my detective told me to tell y'all.
Who's the detective?
Dad, I can't give you that. You leave and go do your homework.
Don't call me names.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's not nice.
I'm sorry.
There's no reason you need to be disrespectful to me because I was nice to you the whole time.
Sorry, I
Don't.
deeply apologize. I deeply apologize, but
All
I'm
right.
worked up.
You know, honest
My-
to God,
my
we can
life
make all
is
this
on the
go.
line.
We can make all this go
My
away.
life is on the line.
We can make this all go away. We can make this all go away.
Detective Smith, please, go.
Which
please.
Smith?
Detective Smith.
The one in.
Second district. Okay, that's how you know I'm not.
Okay, well, I guarantee.
His phone number's right here.
No, no, listen.
I'm not
We'll
gonna
call
play
him.
with y'all.
Listen, we'll
Don't
call
call
him.
him. Don't.
Well, why
Don't
wouldn't
call
I
him
call
here.
him?
Don't
Listen,
call him
will
here.
you stop talking for a
I
moment?
can't, bro. My life is on the f***ing line.
Who's on the line? All you had to do was talk to us. You're the one who came outside.
Y'all don't know what's going on, baby boy. That's all I'm saying.
Listen,
I got
once
drug
again-
dealers and everything that drive past here, and I got 5 cars out here. I'm trying to tell you, I work for you guys. That's what I'm trying to tell
Then this
you.
guy would be calling us.
Who? Detective Smith? Detective
Yeah.
Smith? He don't know you here yet. I'm about to call him and tell him to get all these cop cars from away from
Well,
the
he's
house.
not really in charge of us.
Man, I know he ain't, but I'm trying to tell you, I'm working with y'all, bro.
All right,
Look,
are you working right this second?
right now. I work for you guys for the rest of my life. I understand that, but I've already told y'all everything is cool and I'm working with you guys.
All right, but we still have to do
Need you guys.
We still have to
Before
follow up.
before I'm dead before the end of the day.
Well, my sergeant asked you before. Can we just look in the basement and we'll be on our way?
No, you guys cannot go in my house.
All right, well.
No, I'm not letting you guys in my house. I'm sorry.
All right,
No, dude.
all right.
Y'all about to get me killed out this.
Why are you acting this way?
You understand why I'm acting this way, dude? No.
I really don't because it's
I
like,
have 5 cops out here.
okay, then tell us this.
I don't know
Why
why.
would somebody call and give this specific address and even say the one with the red door? Doesn't that sound weird? Now, if we go away and something happened, now we're all in trouble.
I understand that. Bro, listen.
So either today, tomorrow, the next day, in the next 5 minutes, you're going to continuously have these problems. And if we have to tell Detective Smith and say, hey, do you think this guy would have a girl tied up in his basement?
He's gonna say no.
Is he?
100%, bro. I just
He's
left.
willing to risk his career for all that?
You think I'm? Oh my gosh, you're gonna take a crackhead's word over Detective Smith's word, right?
I haven't spoken to Detective Smith.
Well, you're gonna talk to him. He's gonna let you know what's going on.
Why would somebody say that?
Crackheads.
But why would a
They're
crackhead
crackheads.
say that about
They're
you?
crackheads, but probably because they want more crack, bro.
Do you have crack?
No, I'm not gonna. Why would I say that? Why would you ask me that on camera?
I don't
Why
know.
you do that to me? I know I don't have no crack.
It's my job. Well, why would the crackhead be here then?
This man is wild.
I'm not wild. I'm just
I am
asking
a
questions.
confidential informant.
What does that convey, though? The confidential informant usually has the policeman or officer or detective with them when they're working. That's kind of
I
how that
understand what
works.
you're saying, but what I am saying,
And the most confidential informants don't come screaming out the back door, I'm a confidential informant, do they?
dude, listen, but what I'm saying, I'm gonna let you guys know this. I want you guys to know what's going on in my back. Okay, this is what happened. This is what's going on.
Okay.
Okay, listen, I'm not doing nothing illegal, but I work for you guys.
That's what you said for the last 10 and 15
Okay.
minutes.
I'm about to go back inside. Y'all can figure out what y'all got going on out here, but I can't be out here talking to y'all for too much longer.
Well, this guy's going to go ask the sergeant what he's going to do here.
I know my rights, okay?
I didn't say you didn't,
I know
but
my
he's going
rights.
to go
I don't
ask.
have to be out here while you guys do your investigation.
Well, I don't want to have to
You
come
know what I'm
in.
saying? I have to go inside, bro. I cannot be out here. I don't be out here like
All
that.
right, we're gonna hang out a minute. I'm gonna talk to the detectives and see if they're not gonna want to come in. All right, you're good to go. You got any weapons in there?
No.
All right.
Why would y'all do me
You got
like
people
this?
tied up in there?
Please don't bring me like this. I cannot look like. Call Detective Smith, please.
With what department?
Second district. This phone number's right here. I just left I just left downtown before you guys got here. I had a probation appointment. Look, fucking had a probation. I just got home.
What's his number?
Like, this is crazy. Right here.
I'll give him a call.
please.
After so much back and forth, Dante thought he had won, but what he didn't expect was approaching.
Let us in. He's real sketchy. He said need another guy, but you're coming to him, tell him you're on probation. It's a training thing. And then these guys will make that back door in case you scream for help.
Like girls. Ah!
He managed to keep the police off balance, and the officers had to pull back to reevaluate what the hell was actually happening inside that house.
No, dude. There's too much going on. No. All right, stand outside. Leave this crack, though, in case you scream for help.
Fuck that. Nobody about to do nothing to y'all, dude. You guys got guns.
No, you can't. No, seriously. No, crack. Just in case you scream for help.
No, bro.
They're not coming in.
Oh,
You have my word.
I've been stabbed 7 times, shot twice.
Well, have we done any of that?
No. It's just, honestly, I'm trying to change my life and work with the police, and like, I just don't do that every day.
Turn that down for a minute. Yeah, there you go. Actually, turn it off until we leave, and then you can do what you want. That way I can hear everybody. All right?
Just when it looks like a dead end, the entire case gets ripped wide open. Someone who escaped the nightmare inside runs straight to a stranger for help. This is the 911 call that changes everything.
Yeah, her in her right arm, which is on the pictures. She's bound up naked. She's naked in front of the fireplace, like tied with like zip ties. You see her writing with a pencil and a piece of paper. He stabbed her in the right arm, and he beat her so bad she couldn't open her eyes. But he said he kept feeding her crack to keep her alive, but he beat her for 3 hours and then murdered her. He made her write 1,000 times, I am a rat, I am a snitch, I am a rat, I am a snitch.
She also claimed that Delante had proudly shown pictures of these brutal acts to her on his phone. With this terrifying new information, the officers returned to the house, and this time, Delante's entire demeanor shifted. Instead of frantic and hostile, he suddenly acted overly welcoming, trying to play it cool and act like everything was fine.
Off the phone.
Hey, did you talk to Detective Smith? He tell you what's going on?
Yes. All right, so I appreciate this. Good?
Yeah.
Sure? Yeah. Sure. Sorry for not letting you in earlier, bro. Sorry for my attitude, okay?
It's all good.
Give me 5 seconds.
Meet me at the back door?
Oh, y'all.
Okay.
Delante tries to stall the cops, which now make things more obvious.
All the way down. Please turn it all the way down.
Yeah, there's something on the floor, but
Yeah, I know that. I know you see something.
down.
No, I don't have to turn the music down.
Okay. Can you turn the music down?
stay what I said.
I'm gonna detain you for a moment.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some handcuffs on you. Just to detain you. No, turn that music off. Is anybody on that front porch?
No.
So what's that noise I keep hearing? That you keep turning the music up on every time I hear something? Is anybody on there?
I heard him dragging something out when we went from the front to the back too, just so you know.
Is anybody in that front end? Because I heard voices or movement or noise. Yeah. Who's up there? Who's out there?
Sweating a lot.
What is it? Did you hear it? Oh, please. Who's up there? Where are you at?
She's under. There's a thing under. Remember I shined my flashlight?
But just when doubt starts creeping in, one of them makes a chilling observation.
Can you hear it?
Clint, please.
Huh?
Where are you at?
She's under. There's a thing under. Remember I shined my flashlight?
Do you need help?
Help!
Alright. Clint, please. Sam 24, can you get us another car over here? Where are you at?
Where you at, man? M35, you can send us.
How do you get here? With the black box?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Help me. Help me.
Radio Cynthia, miss.
I'm paralyzed.
Oh my gosh.
I'm paralyzed.
Alright.
Okay.
How old are you? Step up, EMS. Are you injured besides that?
I'm paralyzed.
You're paralyzed.
I'm paralyzed.
What's your name?
EMS is en route. Are you cold?
I hurt.
You hurt? All right, we want to get you out of there, but I'm afraid to move you. I'm going to let EMS do all that, okay?
I hurt so bad.
What did he do to you?
He kicked me, punched me.
He did what?
Kicked me,
Hey,
punched
Scott, you want fire to come? At least get her upright.
She says she's pale. I don't know.
I know, but we got fire here that can.
Are they here?
No, you got no ETA. I mean,
They've been dispatched.
huh?
Did he stab you?
Yeah.
Where are you stabbed, you think? Your arm? All right. Did he sexually assault you at all? Okay. Do you know how long you've been here?
No.
Is it just one day?
Yeah.
And she's immediately transported to the closest hospital, where the doctors decide to put her in an induced coma. In addition to the stab wound in her right arm, Cheryl was suffering from several broken ribs, a collapsed lung, significant swelling in the brain, and multiple injuries to her spine, all of which had rendered her paralyzed. But why would Delante brutally beat a 60-year-old woman who's twice his age? What exactly did he have against her? The following night, detectives sit down with him in prison to uncover the truth.